This brilliant integrated dishwasher from Samsung is an excellent choice if you want a top-quality model with fantastic cleaning features. It has an A++ energy rating, 6 wash programs and 13 place settings, which means it can wash a side plate, main plate, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 13 people. This means it's perfect for medium-sized households. Samsung's half-load option is a flexible setting that lets you clean your dishes in either the top or bottom half of the dishwasher. You can select the top basket to gently wash items that aren't too dirty, but if your dishes need a more intense clean, then you can select the bottom basket instead. So, you don't have to wait for a full load before doing the dishes, and you can save time, water and energy too. The Economy Wash gives you the excellent cleaning results you expect, but with fantastic energy savings. Once this program has been selected, the dishwasher will automatically use a lower temperature on a slightly longer cycle. This uses less water and electricity, so your dishes are given a proper clean without any wasted energy, meaning your dishes will be lovely and clean and you'll save on your utility bills too. If you want convenience and fantastic cleaning features, this brilliant quality integrated dishwasher from Samsung is the perfect choice for you.